Alright, so here we're putting on the corner trim. I don't have a long enough piece to go all the way up, so I'm splicing it. I just want to make sure it doesn't go in or out, make sure it's straight. I'll show the top piece kind of how it all gets together there, kind of why I put my eave trim out and how everything ties together there. So how I do this, I just go ahead and set it on there, get it square, kind of get it square looking up top, stick a screw in the bottom. Got to make it look square on the base trim, usually it's in a little bit, like that. Put one in there. Make it look square up there. Just kind of set it. You may adjust that in and out to make sure it's straight. What I'll do is I'll go up and set my top, and I'll just straighten it from top to bottom and set it, and then just screw the rest of them off just straight over. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. So I'll do the same thing here. I'll square it here, set it, and then eyeball and pull this in and out. Get it straight, set it, and then just screw everything else off. And right here, go ahead, put one in right here. Make it nice and flat. It's good. So it's kind of dark, but you can kind of see how this goes all the way out. So this corner right here sticks 3/4 past framing, and this sticks another 3/4 because it's sitting out on the ribs. So that's why I go 1.5 past framing for that. And that goes all the way out against, and it just closes it off pretty well.